Hey, welcome to Robbie Lobby. One of the easiest modifications with very high impact that you might want to do for your Himalayan 450 is replacing your clutch lever and the brake levers. The clutch lever, more importantly. But why should you do it? The reason you want to consider this is because the clutch lever of Himalayan is a non-adjustable clutch lever. You don't have much choice with how far it engages down, so you end up generally squeezing. Now, if you ride with two fingers on the clutch levers and brake, then engaging the clutch, especially in demanding situations like when you're standing up and riding, it crushes my ring finger and pinky finger, right? So there are some very inexpensive options out there that would replace this long clutch lever with adjustable shorter clutch lever, and it's really easy to do that, and we're going to do that today. I'm going to do the work with as little effort as possible, and it's just a bolt with a 10 mm socket over here, and underneath there's a nut with 8 mm. That's it. So that's, I don't know how far the thread goes. Let's get a plier. Yeah, you just have to yank it off. Maybe while putting back, we'll just lubricate it a bit. Now, just pull it out gently and twist it so you can see the slot over here. Work the cable out like this, and you got it out. Now it'll get withdrawn a bit. I mean, you can go and loosen it on the other side, but I don't want to do anything. That's it. Removing the brake lever takes a 4 mm Allen wrench at the top and a socket at the bottom. And opposite. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oops. Come on, Robbie, don't break stuff. Yep, that's it. That is the 10 mm nylon lock nut. Just push it out gently with a little pressure from bottom and just turn it out and pull it out, okay? At this point it should come out pretty easily. I just don't want to damage it. You just hand turn and pull as you're turning and it'll come out, okay? That's it, yeah, nothing. Just be gentle, don't force it. And this one is even easier. So because this is obviously hydraulics, make sure you don't lose the spring. It might pop out. That's it. This is the OEM brake lever, front brake lever. This is the replacement that I bought. The big difference is this is adjustable. So you have multiple levels to adjust, and it's pretty easy to adjust. It looks like it's plastic, so we'll know how long it lasts. The main difference is the length. When I put them on top of each other, you can see that this is about an inch shorter than the original. This is the brake lever, and the same deal with the clutch lever. Clutch lever goes this way, so it is adjustable. As you can see, there are 6 positions that you can adjust, and it is more than an inch shorter actually. Maybe just an inch. I have to see if I line it up well. So let's put it back and see if it really helps with my finger situation that I talked about. WD-40 is your friend. This is a good opportunity to clean this. Now the only reusable part is the spring. The lever did not come with a new spring, so you will just have to keep rotating it counterclockwise direction, and it just came out. Let me see if it has the grip at the bottom. Yep, it stays in place, it won't fall off. Okay, it can't get any simpler. So this is the switch or something that presses. The way it works is you see this cup. This will go and press this to activate the reservoir in the hydraulic. Okay, and you have to make sure that this spring goes in the right position. These things will fit in naturally as long as you just align properly. I would recommend aligning the spring first into position, then move in. Align the spring first and then the cylinder cup and you're good. And then insert the pin. Push it in gently. I'm just using the rotation moment to push it. Get the torque specs, I'll let you know. Actually, it is threaded. I think these are independently threaded. Decent hand tight. Now I'll set it at the lowest level. The adjustment is at the lowest level and that suits my finger length. And I'm liking it so far. The brake lever is up. Now let's go for the clutch lever. So I sprayed a dash of silicone spray onto this bolt so that it stays well lubricated. So the main challenge is this slot with a gap. This end of the clutch cable should go in there. So the way we do that is just pull it out and I'm sorry I'm not able to show fully. If it is really hard you can loosen it on the other side, but I don't think it's required. So I was able to push it in. Obviously you don't want to twist the cable too much. One thing to take care is there is a switch over here. You don't want that get damaged. And yep, that's it. Now take this pin and push it through. The key is you don't want to force this because anytime you're just gently pushing and turning down. So it is threaded, so gently screw it down. It is threaded already, okay? The bolt is more like a pin to hold these things in place, okay? And again, the torque is 6 Newton meter for both. Already at 6 Newton meter, that's good enough. And the bottom bolt, as I told you, is independent. You can feel it's a little in a cramped place, but close your eyes and you'll be able to feel it and drive it in. And again, that's at 6 Newton meter. Oops, oh man. Okay, the clutch lever is in. So if you look at it now, I can continue holding the handlebar with my 2 fingers without being crushed by the clutch lever. As I fully depress the clutch lever, my fingers are still around. I don't have to loosen that grip. That to me is a huge win. This is a huge safety upgrade, especially when you're riding standing up on rough terrain. You don't want to let go of the control of your handlebar. This is a huge win. I'm really glad about this. This is one of the lowest investment, low effort, high return mod you can possibly make with your Himalayan. Hope this was useful to you. Thanks for stopping by.